want to jump? Jump!
Good.
Again? Ready? Ready? Jump!
Oh my God.
Again?
22 months.
Okay. Jump? Right here is good. You want to jump over there? Get close. Close. Jump!
Wow. That was amazing.
You almost went to the bottom. Maybe you better jump here. Okay, wait. This way. Not there. Ready?
Did he turn around?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job, Henry.
You want Mama to jump?
With the camera?
You want to swim to Mommy? Ready? 1, 2, 3, swim!
Don't actually get very far. Henry.